Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Do consider subscribing, and today we're making some delicious juices. For the first option, we're making a glow juice to help brighten your skin and help you glow from the inside out. So this is an orange juice, so you'll need some tangerines, limes and carrots. The next juice is the simplest, freshest and most delicious green juice. You only need cucumber, mint and some limes. This is such an easy green juice recipe, to be honest. The next juice after that is some mango, beet and lemon. So delicious and has such a beautiful texture because of the mango. And finally, something for your liver. So you're going to do some beetroot, lemon and ginger, and as I promised, you do not need a juicer. Instead, you'll need a sieve. I got my sieve from Shein. I'll be able to tag it down below, and let's get into it. And you also need a blender. So the first thing you're going to do is to peel your carrots. After peeling them, you're going to cut them into medium size. Remember, you're using a blender, and depending on the strength of your blender, you're just going to cut them into medium sized. Carrots are full of beta carotene, which is really good for your eyesight and also really good for your skin. We're going to go in with some citrus, delicious tangerines. So you're just going to half them and then cut them into quarters, and then you're going to throw everything into the blender. But here's a hack that I love when using limes. So to get more of the lime taste in my juices, I use half of it covered with the rind, and then the other half I peel it up. So it gives such a beautiful lime flavor. So as you can see, this sieve does the work. It's really good. You can see I want to remove the fiber, so if you like, you can use this fiber for soups and stuff, but for me, I just remove the fiber and throw it all out. I know some of you might have some nutritional concerns, but you can get your fiber in other ways, in vegetables, in other fruits, or even by eating the fruit whole. So that is the first process. The second process is for the green juice. For the green juice, you're going to just put your blender, clean it up, add some cucumbers, some mint and your ginger, and then you're going to blitz it, and then you're going to follow the same exact steps. So if you've come this far in the video, I would recommend for you to leave a comment down below of a juice that you'd love us to recreate and a juice that you're going to recreate from these recipes. And also remember to subscribe, it's free of charge. Thank you very much. Cucumbers and mint is such a refreshing combination, and when you add a bit of lemon and ginger, it makes it so delicious. So with this juice, it's a perfect easy summer green juice that you can just blitz at any day and have a beautiful day. So for the last juice, I'm going to do the beetroot, ginger and lemon. I didn't get to do the beetroot and mango that day. I filmed it, but I didn't press the button. If you're a content creator, I know you've done that so many times, but guys, it is in one of my shorts video. I'm going to link the shorts video down below if you want to see how it goes down. So this one is such a good juice for your liver and also your skin. Remember, beetroot is full of iron, so it will get blood flowing, very beautiful iron rich blood flowing in your skin, and it will give you that radiance, that glow. So this is so good for your skin, and it helps also with detoxification of your liver. Remember, the main function of your liver is to remove toxins from your body. So beetroot has high or lots and lots of nitrates, which also help and support the liver in detoxification. So this is such a beautiful detox juice. And also, if you're looking at losing weight, this is such a beautiful weight loss juice. So I hope you'll add all those juices into your recipes. These juices have actually helped me glow up my skin, to be honest, and I feel so much better. I bulk create them over the weekend, and then I just have something delicious to drink during the week and just energize my body. Remember, your body is a temple and you need to take care of it. And I hope you loved this video, and if you did, please go to my channel, look at all the other videos. I recently posted a nice easy recipe for summer salads. I hope you enjoy it and have a beautiful day. Spread kindness and love. Bye. See you in the next one.